Hey beauty babes, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really beginner friendly glowy summer makeup look as we get ready to kind of start to wind down the summer before we get into like our fall era. I just wanted to come through and drop this cute, really simple, like you really could do it every day type of tutorial for you today. But before we do that, my name is Tori Chantel. I am a licensed cosmetologist, and here on this channel I do hair reviews, press-on nail reviews, and makeup looks like the one I'm doing today. So that's what we're going to get into. Before we do that, don't forget to hit the subscription button as well as the notification bell. That way you are notified every time that I upload. Let's get into this video. So before I do anything, I'm going to take the Shisedo Eye Cream and just moisturize up under my eyes really well. I will say that this summer I have not been doing the best. I've been staying up late, getting up early, so I just want to make sure that I really hydrate my under eyes before I start anything. And then going in with my Bloom facial moisturizer, just making sure that I hydrate all over my face. I hydrate my neck. You know, as you get older, you start to show your age, like your neck and your hands. So, you know, I just want to age as gracefully as possible. So I just make sure that I hydrate all over the place. And then next, going in with my Morphe dual brow pencil. I'm in the shade Chocolate Mousse. And because my makeup really gonna be really natural, I did want more of a bolder brow. So I just outlined my brows, filled them in really well, and then I also went in with my concealer just to really define it and really get like that sharp brow look. Y'all, when I tell you I was really having one of those days with this other brow right here, I just couldn't get it right for the life of me. I just don't know what I was going through. I think I just was tired and just was trying to do too much. But I didn't show it here, but I had to work that thing out, y'all, because they looked like cousins but not sisters. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place iPrep iPrime in the color 2. Listen, a little bit goes a long way, okay? When I first got this product, I went crazy with it, and it took forever for me to blend out. So just keep that in mind if you decide to pick up this product. The color does last all day. That I really do love about it, but genuinely, a little bit goes a long way. Just take your time. So I am using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette today. I'm starting off with the shade Kano. I just kind of wanted this to be my contrast to like my lighter color, because like I said, I wanted this to be an everyday look, like daytime look, daytime friendly, and I didn't want to go like too deep and too dark. And then the next color I picked up was Ahosi, and same thing, I just needed that light to dark contrast, and then I'm using that for my inner lid. Then I just kind of use whatever was left on my first brush to just blend the colors out. They're going to create their own transition color as they start to overlap. So I just wanted to make sure it was really blended. So I was making an executive decision between Moremi and Amina, and I end up choosing Moremi. I'm just going to put that right over Ahosi, blend it out, blend it down into my tear ducts too, to give it a little bit of shimmer and shine. And then I'm taking my time blending it out. Ooh, look at me, I'm cute. And I'm doing the other eye. Do y'all do y'all eyes first and then your face, or the other way around? Let me know down in the comments below. Today I'm using Trendsetter from my lash brand TCX Beauty, but before I do that, I'm going in with my La Chanel like volume mascara, but this one's in 10 Noir. I got this from a homie and I absolutely love it. So you know what, if you need like a full breakdown tutorial of doing your lashes, just let me know. I have a makeup class that I do every month and we do go over this, but if you need like an in-depth tutorial here on the channel, I am more than happy to do that for you. And a side note, a quick shout out to this mirror from Target. I literally got this a couple weeks ago for like $4 and can I just say it has been the light of my life. Now I'm using my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Honestly, y'all, I've seen so many people applying this wrong. All you need is just to tap it into the skin. Please don't rub it into the skin. That's not how you apply it. You want to tap it down, that way it gets tacky. That's the whole point of it being a power grip type of primer, is by tapping it in, getting that tackiness. That's what's going to make your foundation stay on. I'm using my UOMA Beauty Double Take Contour Stick. I don't think they make these anymore, but this is in brown sugar, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it to underpaint. And what that does is once I put my foundation on, it'll still give me the allure of a highlight and contour, but it'll be more subtle. It won't be super harsh. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, just using the side to blend out my highlight, and then I'm going to go in with a brush to blend out my contour. Let me know below, are you more of a sponge kind of girly or are you a brush girly? Honestly, I will choose a brush over a sponge any day. That's just my jam. I just am in love with the flawless blend that I get from it, but I totally get you sponge girlies. You know, it's a cute little blending moment, and you know, and the sponge does have its uses, but I'm always going to be a brush girly. Look at that, I'm all nice and blended out, ready to go. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I am using the shade 6, and I'm just applying it all over. This is going to be part of the reason why I have the glow. Now, I know I just said I'm a brush girly. Don't come for me. But because I want it to be kind of light, soft, airy kind of vibe, that's why I'm using my sponge today. It's a little bit damp. I didn't make it too damp. But I am going all over to blend everything in. That highlight, that contour underpainting, and just giving myself like natural realness. I'm just taking my time blending it out. When I have people that come in and get their makeup done, they say, I don't know how to do my makeup. I always tell people, don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just, you know, take your time, blend it out. You really can make a lot of things look good, even if you just take your time and blend it. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Concealer. I'm in the shade 420, and I'm just applying it, just to give myself a little bit more brightness up under the eyes, down my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, just a little bit, just to give me a little lift up under the eye. Like I said earlier, I haven't been sleeping the best this summer, so I need the help of this concealer to wake me up a little bit more. And now here comes the star of the show. I am using the Mercier Translucent Light Catcher in the shade Cosmic Rose. This has got to be the most beautiful powder I have ever used. I typically will mix it with the Ultra Blur Translucent Powder, also by Mercier, but I felt bold today. I wanted that glow. But honestly, this, like, it has light catching pearls to it, and I mean, it's just like, you literally can see it. It's just this powder is just chef's kiss. I absolutely love it. Like I said, on my clients, I typically will mix it, but like I said, I just felt bold today, and I just popped, came in through. I'm just going in with my big fluffy brush just to blend everything out. I did have a little bit of like powder on this one, but honestly, it wasn't even enough to like really show y'all or even like really care about. I'm just using it to help me blend everything out, and bring the whole look together, making sure I blend out my forehead, that my cheek, especially like where I use that powder up under my cheek to like really like carve it out. I really want to blend that out so I don't have like any harsh lines. Using my Morphe continuous setting spray, I'm literally going to take like a mini shower in this. I'm just going to spray it all over and just bask in the gloriness of the glow that I'm going to give when this look is all done. Just ooh, slow-mo for it. And melting down that powder. I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette, dark to deep, and I'm just using the bronzer that comes inside of there, and I'm just using that again to help blend out the side. Like I low-key went a little hard with that Laura Mercier powder, but I'm just using that to help me blend it out, and then using the highlight to just highlight my cheekbones, highlight my cupid's bow, and then back again with that Morphe spray. I just cannot get enough of it. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place Berries palette. I don't know what shades those were, but I blended them together to make my own blush and bring some color back to the face. Back into that Juvia's Place Warrior palette, I used the shade Mino as a liner. In hindsight, I realized I really didn't need this liner, but at the moment I felt like I needed it, and I went with my first like artistic thought. But looking back on it now, I'm like, girl, you really didn't need that. But I just went back in with my Chanel mascara again to do my bottom lashes. I started off using the NYX or NYX, however you say it, Peekaboo Natural lip liner, and then after I do my lips, I end up using the hot cocoa because I realized it wasn't like deep enough for like the contrast. But I did use the NYX Shine Loud. This one's in Boundary Pusher, and see here I'm going back in with my darker lip liner. But after that, I'm all done, boo. That's it, and that's all an easy summer glow makeup. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video, and while you're at it, don't forget the subscription button and the notification bell as well. That way you are notified every time that I upload. If you are interested in getting the lashes, they're in the shade Trendsetter. These are going to be from my personal brand, TCX Beauty. They will be available on my website, tcxbeauty.com, as well as the lash scissors and lash tweezers. Those are in the set Dynamic Duo. Those will be available for you to purchase as well. Okay, that's all that I have for now. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, any other video ideas you want to see from me, anything like that, don't be shy, just drop it down in the comment box below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.